adjusting a ring. So most of my rings, they have this spiral binding, and that is so I can quickly size down and then size up. So when you're sizing down, you want to go clockwise. Or you'll notice, however this direction goes, where this ends, you're going to want to wind it towards it. So your ring may be the opposite way. You just want to wind it smaller. And you'll see. But first you want to start off with pliers that don't have any teeth. You can use pliers with teeth, but it's going to scratch up the metal a bit. So try to find pliers without teeth. If you want to open up the ring, you're going to just go in the opposite direction. See how that moves? And then just adjust it a bit. That's it. That's all.